Part 1. Unpacking. Step 1. Remove the packing tape and check whether the packing box is complete. Step 2. Remove top cover packing nails and flip the top cover to the front of the box for later use. If the ground is too even, place padding in advance for easy lifting later. Step 3. Verify the module quantity and inspect the condition of modules according to the shipping mark on the packing case. Step 4. Remove the front panel packing nails and remove the front panel. Step 5. Remove the card slot. The card slot can be used as padding in front of the front panel. Step 6. Two people should vertically retrieve modules at the same time. Avoid excessive bending during the retrieval process. Handle modules with care and use foam tools throughout the process. Place the first module with its back facing down on the front panel. The second module is attached to the front plate of the previous module to prevent surface scratches. Step 7. Transport the modules. Do not transfer more than 4 modules at a time. Part 2. Installing. Step 1. Clean the color steel towel before installing the modules. Use detergent on areas with stubborn dirt. Step 2. Apply adhesive on the corrugations of the color steel towel. The adhesive lines should be straight and without any interruptions. Step 3. Use foam tools when transporting modules. Lift and place modules gently and avoid pressing on the solar panel. Step 4. Connect the positive and negative connectors of the 2 modules before installation. Use foam tools during the installation process and place modules gently after accurate positioning. Step 5. Gently use a sponge roller tool to press the adhesive lines. Ensure that each adhesive line is firmly pressed.